Windows 11 updates frequently get stuck at a specific percentage or crash with random error codes, locking your system in a frustrating loop. This happens when the download cache folder gets corrupted, preventing new files from installing correctly. You can fix this instantly by resetting the update cache. Here is how to do it safely. First, let's stop the active update services. Right-click on your Start menu icon and click on Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. When the black window opens, type netstop wowserv and hit enter. Next, type netstop bits and hit enter. This completely freezes the background update tools so we can clear the junk files. Keep this terminal window open. Second, let's wipe out the broken update cache database. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run box. Type c:\windows\software-distribution and press enter. A folder will pop up filled with download logs. Press Ctrl and A to select every single file inside this folder and press delete. If a prompt pops up, click skip. Finally, let's turn the services back on to start fresh. Go back to your open black terminal window, type netstart wowserv and hit enter, then type netstart bits and hit enter. Close the terminal window, open your Windows Update settings dashboard and click check for updates. The error loop will be completely gone and your updates will install perfectly. If this quick update repair guide saved your PC from update loops, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.